I'll turn it over to you. Let's dig into your scenario a little bit. I love this stuff. So you had a company say they're not allowed to work hot. So give me a little more detail.
It's been a while, but the direct supervisor is asking. I think what they were doing was joining a branch circuit in a 4-square box for another device. I can't remember what it was.
Mm-hmm.
But one of the things that brought this to my memory was that I remember in another state from the same company, electrician was working on something hot, not testing. And I don't think they weren't troubleshooting either. They were adding something to a circuit, and they had an accident.
Right.
And they fired that electrician immediately because they went back to the clause. Even though they asked him to do it, they went back to the clause and said, you will not work anything hot, even though they asked him to do it.
Yeah. So that scenario is a good one. It is not allowed to do that. We are not allowed. So if you got a box, it's got other stuff in it energized. And I'm assuming the other circuits that were in the box and energized, we're not feeding a dude in a surgery unit, or we're not feeding a ventilation system, or we're not
Correct.
feeding so
Right.
if the other stuff in the box, see, that's where the electrician's got to be a detective and say, if I'm going to go in here hot, then this stuff must be life safety. He's got to go to the panel board, the panel schedule, and look at those other circuits, lighting. Yeah, I'm shutting that crap off. I'm working it dead because nothing in there is life safety. In that scenario, he's going into an energized enclosure and he's making an alteration. So he's affecting the physical attribute of the enclosure. He's punching the knockout out. He's pushing a new wire in it, increasing the rate of fill. So in that scenario, the only way that would be allowed to work in energized is if the other circuit in there couldn't be shut off for reasons of life safety.